Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how you can save your scans in a desirable format for further references. Now over here my target is Metasploit, and as you can see the Metasploit IP address is 192.168.84.180. Okay, so this is the my target to whom I am scanning. So for that I am using Linux. Now over here let me uh, type the target IP and check whether it's up or not. Okay, that is 162.84.130. Okay, so it will take few minutes to scan. So let's see whether it's open. Okay, so it's open and we are getting the very good output. So now for saving the scan, what I'm going to use, I'm going to go for the text file first. So let's see whether this text file is going to create or not. Okay, so as you can see again the scan has completed and there are so many open ports and services running on this particular metasploit table, which is our target. Now as you can see the output.txt file has saved the structure, so that means at my desktop there is right now an output.txt file, as you can see over here. Okay, let's open it and see that what format has been saved. So as you can see it's the text file, and if you are able to compare there are the same ports which are given over here we have used to scan. Okay, so if you are able to see we have all that ports available in our output format. Okay, now let's close this and now check for the another way of storing. Okay, because over here if you are able to see we have different ways of storing the output, that is xml format, script kiddie format, and a lot. So let's search what else we can use as an output format. So for output we have XML format, script kiddie format, and Grep-able format. Okay, so we are done with the normal form. Now let's see what XML format will give you the answer. Okay, so for that I'm taking this flag is hyphen x. Okay, because hyphen x stand for XML format. So now over here I am saving this output as XML format. Okay, okay, so here again the output has been saved out.xml. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, no worries, we can see that on our screen also, that is nano. You can use any editor, out underscore xml. Okay, so as you can see this is where you got the xml format output. Okay, so you can see that over here at the end they have listed the protocols, that is TCP protocol, port ID, state, reasons. Also the additional stuff what you are getting over here is that which kind of packet has been called, that is sin acknowledged. Okay, and the total time, that is TTL, it has been taken is 64. Also the service name, and it also displaying what method it is. Let's see whether our browser has able to fetch it or not. Okay, so the browser is not fetching it properly, but we got the output. Okay, because it's in the XML format, and you can see all the states, time, start, retrieval, and how many ports it has scanned, everything has been listed over here. Okay, so we can just close this, and now let's scan the same thing for the you can say for Grep-able format, that is hyphen g. Now I am writing it, the name has output only. Okay, output 1, and it's going to save in the Grep-able format. So let's see how the Grep-able format look likes. So for that again I am using the nano editor, that is and the file name was output 1. So you can see it has listed the host status. Again it has listed the host and the ports which are open, and the port number and port state along with the services. So as you can see, this is the TCP ports 21, 22, and they are all open, whether it's FTP, SSH, Telnet, SMTP, and it has all given over here. Okay, so this is the Grep-able format. Or also you can view simply by using the cat command, like cat output 1. Okay, so you can see this, these are the way it's going to store. It means you can say the grabbable format is nothing but it's just grabbing the host and the services which has been displayed as it is. Okay, now next we have last, that is the script kiddie format. So we have heard about the script kiddies, but actually what the script kiddies output will look like, let's see. Okay, now as you can see in desktop, there are four ways. The very first, we use the normal, then we use the grepable format, then we use XML format, and now we have used the script kiddie format. So let's check how this script kiddie format will going to look like, and that is output 2. Okay, so the script kiddie is nothing. As you can see, it has saves, or you can say stored the output in the same way, but there are certain changes in the output that if you are able to recognize, the S is replaced by the dollar sign. In between some command there are capital letters. Okay, as you can see, the starting, this starting has been mixture of capital and small letters with the dollar sign. The ports has been written where it should say open, instead of that for O it has used 0, for E it's saying 3. So this is the way a script kiddie format will look like after storing the output. Okay, so that's what you can save the output, or also you can save the output in the location. Like right now I'm saving this all the scans in the desktop, but by default if you're not specifying any location at that time, the output, you can say, by default the nmap location is on user share. Okay, so as you can see over here, there are n number of nmap files available, services and script. So your file will going to save over here. So if you are not specifying any path, you can come and check the specific file, or you can say the specific scan output over here. Okay, so I hope you get how you can store the output of the nmap scanning. So that's it for today.